Some questions about EVS. Some letters from the word in capital have been used to make other word. Identify the correct option. In prevent. Rent is not there in prevent. Which one of the following does not belong to the given category? Cockroach. Identify the relation between the letters and complete the last box. C A, B F D, O M, R dash. In the dash we will write P. Find the missing number. 333 to 333. 243 is 342. 545 is equal to 545. Find the next letter in the series. C E G I K M O. O will be the answer. Which one is different from other? Which of the following is not true about soil? Soil do not contain air and water. Which of the following statement is false? Visibility increase on foggy day. Which of the following is true about bones of human body? There are 206 bones in an adult human body. The smallest body in human body is human body is present in years. In human body, longest bone is present in thigh. Put the following heavenly bodies on in the order of increasing distance for Sun. Venus, Mars, Ceres, Uranus, Neptune. Match the following. Nearest planet to Sun, Neptune. Farthest planet to Sun. Nearest planet to Sun is Mercury. Farthest planet to Sun is Neptune. Hottest planet in our solar system, Venus. Planet with beautiful invisible rings, Saturn. Which of the following statement about soil is true? Plant take water from the soil to grow. Soil is formed by breaking of rocks into smaller pieces. Soil gives us valuable minerals. Consider the statement given below. Term: air is essential for the given existence of life. Air becomes thinner as we go up thin in the sky. Subai. Oxygen do not support burning. Who is correct? Tom, Jerry and Scoobo. Consider the following. Dina's is the motion of merry-go-round is an example of circular motion. Alice, body covered on equal distance in equal interval of time is said to be in non-uniform motion, and the air transport is the fastest means of transport. Who is correct? All of them. Consider the statement given below. Dina's plant make the air clean. Honey. Plants give us many useful products. Goldie. Various parts of plant are also used in making medicines. Which correct? Honey, dates and Goldie. Thank you.